I'm Nora， 今天要跟大家分享邮轮旅游中必学的英文单字 Part 3。单字呢都会附上例句，我们来看一下。21 Lounge 休息室。We relax in the lounge and read books during our sea days. 22 Internet 网路。The ship had a Wi-Fi connection so we could stay connected with family and friends. 23 Laundry 洗衣房。We used the self-service laundry on the ship to do our laundry. 24 Sun 太阳。We enjoy basking in the warm sun on the deck. 25 Disembark 下船。We will disembark from the ship and return home at the end of the cruise. 26 Customs 海关。We have to go through customs when we return to our home country. 27 Tipping 小费。Tipping is customary on cruise ships, so we left a gratuity for our steward and dining staff. 28 Passport 护照。We made sure to bring our passports with us on the cruise. 29 Travel Insurance 旅游保险。We purchased travel insurance in case of any unexpected events during the cruise. 30 Emergency 紧急状况。In case of emergency, follow the instructions of the ship's crew. OK， 以上呢就是我们 Part 3关于邮轮旅游中必学的英文单字，提供给大家参考咯。See you next time， 拜拜。